one of the biggest problem when I take a look at the construction industry is basically safety. And construction has the highest number of fatalities among all the industry in the United States, and very high injury rate. So I do a lot of the several research projects to improve construction safety health, and one of them is using the wearable. And the reason that I'm interested in using the wearable is that nowadays it becomes very cheap and it can be widely applicable to the construction workers. But also it has a very interesting sensors like heart rate sensors or EDA, electrodermal activity, which measures the electric property of the skin, or it can measure skin temperature. To make them useful for our construction workers to measure something that we always want to measure but we couldn't, like a stress. Once you get stressed, you are supposed to do awkward things or you do mistake. That's where many of the accidents happen in construction. Okay. So we actually studied more than 100 workers to see that how they perceive this wearable technology. And the interesting finding is that overall, they are very keen. They are very interested in wearable technology if this is used for their safety and health, not for their productivity or not for their privacy monitoring, not for their physiological or health monitoring. All the question about who used the data, who we are going to share the data, what is the privacy concern, and what kind of real benefit that each stakeholder will get. Those are all open questions that we are now. But when I talk with all the stakeholders, we all agree that wearable will be a big part of the construction industry, but we are not so sure about how it has to be utilized.